We made a list of our top 5 state park campgrounds in the Finger Lakes region.
Each has their own characteristic that makes them special, so let's go check them out.
We're sticking to a list of state parks in this area. There's so many more, but we prefer the state parks over the resorts.
They tend to be a little bit more spread out and cheaper.
So if your favorite park didn't make it on this list, don't worry. It isn't because we forgot it, it's just because it's probably not a state park.
The Finger Lakes region lies within a triangle between Syracuse, Rochester, and Corning.
A Native American legend tells a story about the Great Spirit looking down favorably upon this region and placing his hand to bless it. What was left behind were his fingerprints that filled with water and created the Finger Lakes.
Each lake is up to 40 miles long and up to 618 feet deep, with the largest being Seneca Lake. 2 of the campgrounds on today's list are on Seneca Lake.
Let's check them out. So in no specific order, starting off with number 5.
Cayuga Lake. Cayuga Lake is in Yates County, New York, and holds a special place in our hearts because
That was where I proposed to Amy.
we also love it because of the rolling hills, the wineries that overlook the water. Oh, so many beautiful places to visit there.
One of the biggest campsites we've ever had is at Cayuga Lake, Site 106.
Number 4 is Robert H. Treeman State Park in Ithaca, New York. It has 19 waterfalls.
The largest is Lucifer Falls, and this park also boasts a spring-fed swimming hole, which has like a waterfall that falls into it. It's gorgeous. And bonus on this one is nearby Ithaca Falls, which
It's not in the campground, but it's a cool waterfall just up the street.
you gotta check it out.
Number 3 is Watkins Glen State Park, located at the base of Seneca Lake in the town of Watkins Glen. This is definitely no specific order whatsoever because this one is way up there.
What makes this park special is the numerous hiking trails that run through the park, one of which goes behind Rainbow Falls.
Number 2 is Samson State Park, which is also on Seneca Lake at Romulus, New York. It's at the top end of Seneca Lake.
What makes this one special is the military museum right on premises. There's a marina, boat launch, lakefront camping, a gorgeous, huge playground.
And bring some extension cords because some of the sites, they're far away from the electric hookups. And number 1 on our list is not on a Finger Lake, but it is in the Finger Lakes region. It's Leworth State Park, the Grand Canyon of the East. Rated number 1 state park by USA Today in 2018. And there's a good reason why.
There's 3 huge waterfalls within the park. The one is lit up at night. It's so cool to come see. The foliage in the fall with the gorge.
It is breathtaking. And as a bonus, you can visit Mount Morris Dam, which is just around the outside. It's free to go tour the dam on the inside. It's super cool. And some honorable mentions that didn't make our top 5. First one's got to be Tocanock State Park.
It's got to be the most butchered name. We call it Tocanock, but I know a friend of ours calls it Tuganic.
And there's Taconic, there's Taganagat, whatever you want to.
It's not easy to spell either.
No. And as you can see here, it's a rough name.
But it also boasts the largest single drop waterfall this side of the Rocky Mountains.
That's super cool. When the water's flowing, it is breathtaking. If you go in like August, you'll just wind up with a trickle. If you go in the spring, holy cow. And hold on to your hats because it'll blow you away.
A video of me doing this on my glasses trying to see.
Yeah, and we weren't even close to the waterfall.
Okay.
And the last honorable mention goes to Green Lake State Park in Fayetteville, New York, home to 2 Miramitic lakes. They are gorgeous, and the path to walk around them is roughly 3.5 miles long and very easy. You're going to want to do it because these lakes are gorgeous.
To get a closer view of these waters, you can rent a clear bottom kayak, but you can't bring your own. You can also choose to go swimming at the sand beach.
And while you're there, go check out Chittenango Falls in Chittenango, New York. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy camping. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you next time.